So Atlassian made a huge amount of product announcements at Team 25, and one that came out of nowhere is this new HR service management. And this is a very interesting concept because you take the foundations of Jira Service Management, which is an IT-centric tool, and you open it up for other use cases. And HR is essentially what they're showcasing here, where you're going to have HR-specific templates and HR-specific use cases that is going to make your managing of HR a lot easier. And so Atlassian is kicking things off with 29 different templates, and you're going to be able to use AI, at least the power of AI, to make your request type. And before we get to that, let me tell you about Aspire Live. Jira shouldn't have to be this hard, and we have an entire team that is ready to help you out with all of your Jira problems. So check out the link down in the description, fill out this information, and let one of our experts reach out to you and help you out on this journey. And now back to the video. You'll start with the template, but if you need to add things like resolve employee conflicts, perform an improvement plan request, and stuff like that, it's going to create a very synergistic scenario where all your HR needs and AI is going to help you just to create these amazing experiences so that your HR department can interact with the rest of your company much more cohesively in a much more easier way. So really, really looking forward to that. Now, just like with JSM, this HR service management is going to have insights. So we're going to be able to build like an employee journey builder where you're going to be able to connect with tools like Workday. So when a new employee is onboarded, we're able to basically create a checklist and fire off a bunch of different events that need to happen. For example, completing a background check, provisioning new employee hardware and software assets, right? Setting up an employee workstation, IT ticket and assets as well. Create a new hire checklist. So again, things that can be automatically emailed out. You can add folks to tools. It's going to be a very cool and interesting situation here where Atlassian is really leveraging the power of all this interoperability and Rovo and artificial intelligence to make your onboarding or any HR process for that matter a lot more seamless. I'm really, really excited for this. I think this is an interesting move from Atlassian. One, I don't think people were asking for, but clearly they have the data to show that it's possible. And for me personally, I enjoy it because I've had to hack Jira Service Management to do things like HR and onboarding. So I'm really looking forward to a day where there's a very specific use case that is specific for HR that is just going to make that part of the whole experience a lot better. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you drop a like, and we'll see you in the next one.